do our sound check. We have our speaker up against the wall here. This wall touches the other apartment. So we are in this B3. We're gonna go look at the A2 and listen, more listen than look. I'm gonna start playing and turn it all the way up, and we're gonna walk over. It's summertime. So done with summer. All right. So the wall that's shared is this wall. So we'll just take a minute. Can hear it. It's not, if I had a TV here and I was watching my own stuff, I'd be fine. And yeah, it's all the way up. So we're gonna turn it down a little bit and see at what rate. Halfway is where I would tell you it's negligible. Oh, hold on. What am I doing? Oh, the volume's down there. And then I'll turn it all the way back up and you go in the bedroom?
Mm-hmm.
All right. And now we're going downstairs. I want to know floor to floor.